connected.
Ready to go for a rip? Alright then, let's do it.
I guess we got both lanes.
Yeah, this is going to be some fun. We're leaving our mark here.
Yeah, just stay safe.
I love it.
There's a nice little straightaway, man. Let's rip up some wheelies.
Let's go.
So fun. Hey, get it. Come up on your left. Yeah. Go back and in. Let's roll some stoppies right here.
Yep. Oh man, it likes to roll downhill.
All right, set it down.
Right there. Yeah.
All worth it for this view.
So sick. That's a good day of riding right there, for sure.
No, this is living, man.